You breathe, I shoot. Now turn around, slowly. Kendall! Oh! You're supposed to be in bed. Oh, I get it. The closed door, that's supposed to fool me, right?
No, if you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me. So I don't have to listen to the speech that's about to come.
Sit down.
I really don't want to.
I said sit your ass down.
I decided I don't want to hear this, so.
I don't care. You're gonna listen because I'm tired.
Okay, well, you don't have to be. I'm 17, so I'm not your child and I'm not your problem.
Oh, but you are. You are my responsibility and you have been ever since mom and dad died.
Yeah, well, no one appointed you to that. No one gave you the keys to my life, okay? You decided this. I did not ask for it.
What was I supposed to do? Send you to a group home? Let you wind up in the system? Because that's what they were going to do. They told me that I was too young, but I fought for you. So all I ask is for some respect, a little appreciation.
No. You always play the parent card, and because what? You're trying to be her? You're trying to be them? Because guess what? You're not. Okay, I am not your child, and you are definitely not my parents. So back the fuck up.